Hey guys, Matt Diamond here. Today, welcome to Slime Rancher. This is an early access game. Some of you might have played it, and if you have, it doesn't really matter. But if most of you haven't, that's okay. Because today, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to play the game, basically. So let's go ahead and put the slimes in. Aploonka-Ploonk. And I think I heard another slime. Okay, random floor. Fine, that's fine. And now, today I gotta feed my slimies, my little slimes. And then take these poops, these little plorts. Yep. Get back in there. Yep. I didn't want you, I want plorts. And I'll take this plort too. And I'm gonna be setting up a series on Slime Rancher if you guys want me to. I know that there's been a lot of changes to it ever since the whole retake of a lot of them working on it. I've played the game, but I want you guys to enjoy it because I want to certainly play it again. There are tons of ways that you can be in a slime rancher. Just look at these slimes. Do you not think they're the most cutest thing you've ever saw? Look at this. I don't even know what the poop this thing is, but Ploonk. Well, okay, bye. Where is this place? Can I select this up? What is this? Water, I guess. So that's water. Need one more carrot and then I'm full on carrots. No, don't become suicidal. You have so much to live for, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do your chore. Feed these guys like the little slimy faces are. And I'm gonna have a really happy fuzzy day. Actually, no, I'm not gonna sleep just yet, guys, because I want to see what kind of beasts are in the night. Ooh, that guy looks big. I wonder if I can suck him up. Probably you can get bigger. What is this, backpack? I guess this is like a suction. I guess this is like a suction cup gun. I don't know. I love it how they just go, whee! Whee! Elevator. Punk. What's that? No, go away. You're bad. You're bad. Oh yeah, you're also bad. So now I gotta feed this guy. Just give him food. Just give him some food. There you go. There you go, guys. Now, these guys should give me better plorts. Literally, guys, what is this game? Why? If you guys want me to play more, then leave a comment down below on this video in the description down below on what if you want to see me play more Slime Rancher and finish the game, because clearly there are more slimes. There's a slime that looks like it's a light slime. Looks like that's a cat slime. I guess that's a radioactive slime. Is that a TNT slime? That looks like a honey slime plort. Looks like a water plort. That looks like something. That looks like a plort that comes out of some kind of slime that has crystals and looks like a rock slime. That looks like a gold plort. How do I get one of those? Can you guys tell me how to get a gold plort? in this game? Like, please, can you tell me? Like, literally, I would appreciate it because I don't know how to get him. Guys, sorry I'm out of time today, but don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll be playing some more Slime Rancher.